In a land where hiccups were a mystery, a curious squirrel named Nutty wondered why they happened. One day, Nutty met a wise old owl who revealed that hiccups were caused by the diaphragm's sudden dance. This dance was a secret signal to the wind spirits, asking them to play. Intrigued, Nutty decided to test this by hiccuping on purpose. To his surprise, the wind spirits responded, swirling leaves in a magical dance. Nutty learned that sometimes unexpected things happen for a reason, and it's okay to embrace the unknown.